since last year. Remember, not last year, man. Last month. Remember, last month we were on what? Buy. We were on buy since last month. Since we entered here, Gadi 2 February, we are aiming at that weekly high, and it seems like everything is positive in Tongo Illuminati. And you can see the reason why it dropped is because of it went to that daily time frame. Inside that daily time frame, we have this 1 hour here and this inducement right here, right? This is what we call accumulation, manipulation, right? And distribution. We swept this high, we came down, right? We are coming here to take this low, right? Retracing back into that daily fair value gap. We may be targeting happy this. So me as a swing trader, this won't be my target, but it will be my break of stretch right here. Boom, right? Buffet to right push at the days. If you can see, guy push. Are we still going here? I mean, like I'm positive. If you look at daily time frame, we are buying in daily time frame. So these cells are just the retracement.